Today we're going to show you how to make the Cobra knot paracord bracelet. First of all, let's have a look at the tools that you need. You need some cord, a bracelet, a jig, a butane torch, and some scissors. Okay, let's get started. First of all, grab the butane torch and fuse both ends so they're into a nice solid and pointy end. Heat both ends of the paracord, and then we're going to fuse the two paracords together. The beauty about paracord is that once together, they are very strong. As strong as they would be normally. Okay, now it's time to get started. First of all, push the paracord through the buckle. And once it gets through, just knot it through the other end like so. And pull tight. Unclip it. And do the same to the other end. Grab the second colour of paracord. Work out the size that you need by putting it around your wrist and adding a little bit to it. As they say, measure twice, cut once. Get your paracord jig on that length and screw it in. The paracord jigs are available on our website at Cam's Chords. Grab the end of the bracelet and put it on the end of the monkey jig. And place the other end up the other end of the monkey jig, as you can see. So the two ends of the bracelet are up on the monkey jig. Now it's time to make your first knot. Put it underneath the two strands and then put the other strand through and pull tight. Knot one. And then it is just a matter of repeating this sequence over and over again. So as you can see, just keep repeating. The one goes over, the other one goes through, and then you change it so to go under and place the other one through again, pull tight. Next stage then is we go under again, place the other strand through, pull tight. If I'm repeating myself, that's because that's what you do. Keep repeating the same knot over and over again. Under, pull it through, pull the other one over the top and pull tight. Guess you know what I'm going to say next. And at any stage on this video, you can pause it, freeze frame it, make it go faster. And through the magic of technology, we're about to do that. So all of a sudden, we've got half a bracelet made. And we just keep repeating ourselves and repeating ourselves. And any second now, in the words of abracadabra, we've suddenly got a full bracelet. Voila. I knew it was coming some stage. Okay, so we've got the bracelet. We're very happy with the knots. As you can see, we've got a bit of paracord left. We loosen the monkey jig. We make sure it fits our wrist, and we just tidy up the ends. So cut them off and use the butane torch just to tidy up the ends. Cut as close as you can to the bracelet without doing too much damage. Obviously, if your trial asks for dot supervision on the butane torch, heat it slightly and dull it down and cut the end off with your fingers. Usually, as you can see, it melts the paracord slightly. You don't need too long on it. Careful not to burn yourself. And we've cleared the bench up, cleaned up, and there is the bracelet as described. Happy wearing!